In this video, we are going to be installing this new vanity light fixture that we have for my daughter's bathroom. Before installing, here is a close-up look of the light fixture itself. This is the gold option with the 3 lights that have the wavy beige fabric shade covers. The woven shades are really awesome for diffusing light and creating a warm, cozy feel. And it's such an upgrade compared to what we had in our bathroom before. All the necessary hardware is included. We just started by cutting power to the room, removing our old mount and taking the mounting bracket off the light fixture, and then screwing that into the wall. Then just matching the corresponding wires, twisting them together and capping them. Once those were capped, we attached our ground wires, the one for the house and the one for the light. And after that, all that's left is to screw it into place. Put your shades on, secure those into place, and then add your light bulbs, and it's good to go. It's a very easy process to replace one of these. It makes for a really simple bathroom upgrade. We're really happy with it. I think our old one was probably installed in the 80s. It was very outdated, and this is just a huge upgrade for us. So a big thank you to the brand for sending this to us so that we could provide this review and installation video.